Welcome to Weather News. Angry Nature. Today, terrible tornado hit Indiana. 3 people are dead after a storm front wreaked havoc Sunday in the Midwest and the South. Dear audience, Johnson County emergency officials said about 75 homes had moderate to severe damage. One person was killed when a tornado filled a house in Martin County, Indiana officials said. Dear friend, in Arkansas, 2 people were killed when a tree fell on a home in Carlisle, the Associated Press reported.
Yeah, you guys are okay.
A third person was also injured in the incident, according to the outlet. Multiple tornadoes were reported Sunday afternoon in central Indiana, the National Weather Service said. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.